Hi, my name is Jake. Welcome to Overseas Motors BMW. I know sometimes we all need a little help when parking the vehicle, and your BMW can take care of that for you. Let me show you this parking assistant feature in our new BMW X4. To activate the parking assistant feature, press this parking assistant button in the center console. Make sure the parking assistant is checked. Slowly drive forward. The car will scan for empty spots. The car detects a parking spot. Turn on your park signal and then hold down the parking assistant button. Take your hand off the steering wheel. Release brake. Now that the parking is complete, the vehicle shifts in park and you're good to go. I hope you liked this video. If you want to know more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media.